Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can share a link to a group in Telegram. Please, friends, put likes, don't forget to write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. So, let's get started. Open Telegram on your phone. After that, find your group. Next, you will need to click on the name of the group at the top. Now you can see the link to your group. If you don't see such a link, then you need to change your group settings a bit. To do this, click Edit in the top right corner. Then choose what kind of group you want to have. If it is private, then you will not be able to see the link. You'll need to switch it to public, and click Ready. Next, you will need to go to the Link section and create a link to your Telegram group. To do this, you will just need to type some text that will meet the requirements of Telegram and click Done. After that, you'll have the ready link right here. So, in order to share it, first of all, you can click on it and copy it, so that you can paste this copied link into some other messenger or social network. Or send a message with this link. Also, if you click on it, you can share the link with some of your friends and acquaintances in Telegram itself, which is quite handy. Or you can click on Share. And here you will be able to share your link, let's say in Messages, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. And here you will also be able to copy the link. Friends, these are the ways you'll be able to share the link in a group in Telegram. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put likes, your right comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.